Every day you dress up this good, like you put so much time into it. This
My class starts at 1:30. I am doing BBA. Do you think I have less time? It was boys and girls mix. But we didn't stay together, but
Okay,
it was the
like
same building. It
you,
was
you were
divided.
not missing Delhi.
No, no, not at all.
So what are you pursuing?
I'm pursuing BBA in MIT.
So why did you choose this course and MIT?
I had commerce in 11th and 12th, and I was not sure about what specialization I have to do. So the course I'm doing allows me to choose specialization 1 year later in the second year, so that I can discover myself, what are my likes and dislikes, what I can study, and what are my plus points in studying.
Okay. So what's your annual fees and
My annual fees is about 3 lakhs approximately,
Okay.
1 year.
do you think this is justified for BBA?
Yeah, because the placements which we get afterwards are very, they, the return on investment is cured, so it is justified.
So just after BBA you will get a good job?
Yes, the placement here is good, and there are chances that I can get a job just after BBA.
So like how much salary you can expect?
So the packages go till 25 lakh was the package here annually
On BBA?
on BBA, yeah. Last year. Yeah. So
People are not gonna believe this.
no, really, actually, they
So-
can search. MIT got the biggest package for BBA, 25 lakhs.
So which company hired them and what are the guys doing there?
I didn't study it. I just saw the package. I'm sorry. I
Okay.
don't have that much information. But yeah, it
So
is.
on
true.
an average it could be 4 to 5 lakhs.
It could be, yeah. So I'm expecting that because I am also from BBA. I've not done MBA also right now. So I'm assuming 4 to 5 lakhs.
Okay. So what are the other kind of BBAs do you have?
BBA, GEB, and I don't know full form. BBA, IB International Business is there. Family Business Entrepreneurship is there. Many branding and advertising is there. So depending on your course and depending on what stream you have to choose or what specialization you have to go for, there is everything is there. Banking and finance is also there. HR is also there. So there are many.
So as you are in second year, so by far how was your experience?
It was very good. I have enjoyed my college life a lot. I have got many opportunities and I have scored touchwood well also at my exams. And it was a very good experience by far. I've learned a lot also.
Okay. And you are from Delhi, right?
Yes, I'm from Delhi.
So what was a cultural shock for you when you came to Pune?
I think adapting from Marathi language was a cultural shock because people don't talk in Hindi here. They just randomly start talking in Marathi and then I have to stop them. Yo, Hindi, please Hindi.
Okay. But
Then-
they do switch to Hindi, right?
Yeah, they do switch to Hindi.
Yeah,
But
that's
you
the
know,
magic of Marathi people.
yeah, and they'll give you preference if you know Marathi. So I'm learning a little Marathi nowadays so that I get that preference.
Okay. You stay in flat or hostel?
I stay in flat, but in first year I stayed in hostel, MIT hostel only.
So why did you choose to be in flat now?
My hostel was very nice. It was Ambega hostel. It was very nice. It was boys and girls mix. But we didn't stay together, but
Okay,
it was the
like
same building.
You,
It was
you were
divided.
not missing Delhi.
No, not at all. I forgot everything about Delhi when I was in the hostel. It was so much fun. But the hostel is now only for boys. And it was very far away. So the traveling time, buses were there, but the traveling time was at about 1 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes from bus. So I wanted to take a flat and so that my time reduces and my cost cuts thoda
So
flat.
college was preparing you for corporate life.
Yes.
1 hour traveling.
Yes.
Okay.
Fully.
So what was their annual fees and how did you manage your food?
Hostel.
Yeah.
Hostel provided me food and annual fees when I was there, I was in triple sharing room, so it was 1,75,000 around.
Okay.
Now it has increased, I think. That is also why I left. And the food was not that good because obviously hostel food is never good. But we used to adjust. We used to order food outside like once or twice a week. Actually, more than that only. But yeah, it was manageable.
Okay. So now as you have shifted to flat, what is your cost of living? Like how much do you pay for accommodation and for food and for other expenses?
I individually pay 7,500 as rent, which is
So you get a single occupancy or double?
no, double. So I stay with a friend I knew before, like she was in my hostel. So I am very comfortable with her. And for food, we have kept a maid and all that. And she takes around 633 rupees per person, like that.
Yeah.
So in 1400 for me, the cleaning is also done and the food is also made.
Okay.
So, which is, when you calculate it, it's way cheaper than the hostel. And you get good food also, homemade food, which is very nice.
So every day you dress up this good, like you put so much time into it.
My class starts at 1:30. I am doing BBA. Do you think I have less time? I have a lot of time.
Okay. So what are your faculties? How are they? Like they are lenient, strict. How do they teach? What is their
BBA
teaching medium?
faculties are very strict. Like strict in a way, uniform days are very strict. Timings are very strict. Attendance is very strict. Other than that, other buildings, they are a little lenient. And that's all about. But when they teach or anything, the teachers are good.
Okay. And what are your subjects?
I have taken finance now, so my subjects are like taxation, financial management, and organizational behavior, and French. I have French for international business also. So I only this semester I have French. That's it. But all the
So-
subjects I have are very interesting.
Which one get on your nerves?
Actually, I really like doing maths, so nothing gets on my nerves right now. Theory subjects get on my nerves. I can't sit and study, like read. I get very bored, so I can't study theory subjects.
Okay. What are the good places to hang out around your college?
When you go out of the college, there is a full lane out there to eat food, and it's very cheap as according to the college people, because everybody from here has come outside from somewhere, most of the people. So everybody hangs out here only after the college, going sitting someplace, Durga or My Cafe and places like that.
And other than like far away from the college in the city, have you explored clubs or restaurants?
No. I'm not that kind of person. I have explored restaurants a lot. I have went to a few restaurants, but not clubs and all. I don't go.
Strange, like you're from Delhi.
Yeah, I don't go.
Other than studies, what does your college provide?
There are a lot of clubs to choose from, like whatever your interest is or whatever you can add to your CV. So I am in an IH club, and I am doing sponsorship. So, and I gather sponsors for the events which happen in our college. So, which will help me enhance my CV, and also I get contacts of other big companies as well. So I can talk to them, and I have a direct contact with them. I know what to speak, and that gives me a sense of confidence of how I can talk to them and all that.
So do you think MIT is worth it?
I think, yeah, it's worth it, because it is not only in studies basis, I'm telling, because I left the whole world I had in Delhi and I came here, and now I have rebuilt myself from scratch. And when I look back, I feel very proud, and because I have learnt a lot.
Delhi is
Because-
clearly unsafe.
Clearly unsafe. Clearly
what about
unsafe.
Pune?
But about Pune is, I have made such people that if one or two out of the lot people come and approach me, I have such people who can come and protect me, and I don't even need protectors. I have went like starting in freshers. 1 o'clock I came back from the freshers or club or wherever we went. I decided not to go back ever again because so many drunk people. But I had such kind of friends who protected me through the crowd. So I think you meet a lot of people.